Hello everyone and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can hard reset your OPPO Find X7 through settings. Okay, so first we head into settings and now we need to scroll down until we see system and update. Now go to reset phone and there you click erase old data, and now you need to enter your lock screen password. And now if you want to clear all data, we simply click clear. Now click on clear all data and our phone is now hard resetted. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.